Hi guys, here 10 minus 4 times 3 plus this 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2. Now here this is 6 times 3 plus 8 divided by 2. Now this is 18 6 times 3 is plus 8 divided by 2. Now this is 26 divided by 2 equal to 13 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 13 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operations. PEMDAS. Here this is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority, also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to follow another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the first priority is bracket. We don't have the bracket in this problem. So next priority is exponent. Here exponent is 2 power 3. So 10 minus 4 times 3 plus 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 2. Here subtraction and multiplication, addition and division. Here multiplication and divisions are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtraction. Here 10 minus 4 times 3 is 12 plus 8 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction, addition and division. Division is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division before this operation. So 10 minus 12 plus here it is 8 divided by 2 is 4. Here we have subtraction and multiplication, both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to follow a left to right rule in the problem. Here left to right is this. So here minus 2 plus 4. Here minus 2 plus 4 is 2 is the correct answer.